man, today's video, we're going to be replacing the wastegate, as you can tell by the title of this video, from a 44 millimeter to a 50 millimeter. Look at the difference in that. And the reason why I'm replacing them, I'm getting a lot of boost creep. And the reason why I think it's the wastegate causing the boost creep and not the way I have it plumbed is because the way I ran this test was I took the wastegate off and I drove the car. The turbo didn't spool at all. So that tells me it's putting out enough exhaust gas through here to keep the turbo from spooling. So the 90-degree angle that I had it in is not the problem. The problem was that wastegate is just too small. I mean, it's keeping the boost down, but it's steady. You know, it'll jump up. It's just boost creep. It's a lot of boost creep. So what I'm doing, putting this bigger wastegate on there. I got this 2-inch pipe. It looks small, and when I put it on there, it's actually, you see, it's pretty big. So I'm finna get everything situated. I'm trying to figure out how I want this mounted up and work my magic as always. So let me get started on this. Like we're in luck. So what it's gonna look like, turns out this is a 45-degree angle too, not a 90 like I thought it was. I don't know why I was thinking it's a 90, but this is just gonna be the replacement. So all I'm gonna do is cut that off, get this welded in, and cut it down here, you know, all fancy and stuff. Get it cut down there, and I'm gonna put it back down there. I don't think about it, it might just be a little bit longer. It might just stick out a little bit longer, which is not bad. So yeah, I'm gonna rock with that. I'm gonna take this turbo off, take the manifold off, and well, before I do all that, I'm gonna unbolt that clamp down there so I can remove the manifold. So I'm finna get all this started and yada yada yada. All right, y'all. This currently the next day of working on this thing. Last night I got cut short. It got dark on me. Mosquitoes started biting. And a lot of unfortunate things happened as well, which is not a big deal, but it kind of killed some of my time. So what happened was, as I was pulling this out, I dropped it. And it dropped so hard. You already know the exhaust housing is heavy, so when it dropped, all that force just popped back. I already checked this. My exhaust housing didn't have any cracks in it or nothing, so we good there. But it hit so hard that it just broke. It just broke it right off. So I'm gonna heat this pipe up. As you can tell, I already got this surface prep. I'm gonna heat it up, preheat it, because iron to crack. If you don't warm it up, I'm trying to weld it, so I heard it'll crack. So I'm gonna get all that situated. Then I'm gonna cut this hole right here out, since we putting a bigger pipe on. For the bigger bigger wastegate, which this is a 2-inch pipe. So we're gonna cut that out, and it's gonna sit the exact same way that the last one sat. So I'm just gonna cut this pipe out, cut it a little bigger, cut this hole a little bigger, and work my magic. Hopefully everything goes smooth today. Downside is somebody left the heat on last night, and it's hot out here. So yeah, so let me get my little welding, little janky set up and get started. I bought some little cheap Harbor Freight gloves. They'll work because I don't have anything right now, so they'll do. So I'm finna get everything started and see what I get. All right, y'all, so here's the game plan. As you know, the old the old wastegate came off like this. It up under the down pipe. Well, it was more like this. It came up under the down pipe at an angle, gave me more than enough room to access that bolt right there and put on my down pipe. But with this new down pipe, it's a lot thicker and wider, so I can't put it on the exact way that it came off, which I already knew that. I ain't gonna be able to put on my down pipe or access that bolt comfortably like I want to. So all I'm gonna do is move it over some, and this time it ain't gonna go up under the down pipe. It's gonna come out actually through the side of the down pipe, which I think will be a whole lot better look, and it'll be easier to access easier to access the wastegate as well. I got everything cut out to where I need it. Everything's already mocked up, so I'm finna get this situated and work my magic. It's all well. All right, y'all. So this is where it's gonna sit at. Surprisingly, it sits in the exact spot that the last one sat at. I don't know what's different, but that is actually, I just got the tack weld in there for now because it ain't fully ready. But I checked my clearance for my spark plugs. I actually got that tipped over a lot more than the last one, but it still came out to be in the same spot. So that's a win-win right there. Obviously I'm gonna have to cut this down because it's coming too close to my brake booster right here. And that's probably about it. I'm gonna finish getting everything else welded in, take this down pipe off. I was just testing the fit to make sure I had clearance. So I'm gonna take that down pipe off and re-weld everything. Take the manifold off, bring it back on the ground, and see what I get. We live like Channel 5. She ain't the best in the world, but she'll get it done. She gonna get my job done. What I'm thinking about doing is just getting some exhaust wrap, cover all this bull crap up, make it look pretty. I'm gonna run to the parts store to get me a 2.5 to 3-inch adapter right there, so I can weld my V-bands on. Cause my V-bands are for 3-inch. I just welded it. I originally got it for this right here, cause this is a 3-inch. This for my down pipe, so I can run it out through the back or change the direction of it. But I'm gonna have to put a V-band on that, man, cause I think it'll be a lot better, make my job a lot easier. So this is what we looking like, getting the 60 installed. I'm liking the way she look already. I'm gonna get this manifold back on there and see how far do I gotta cut the pipe down to see what I get. So, yep. All right, y'all. This what we looking like. I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look with the wastegate on there, most definitely. But right now, I'm getting these V-bands welded up. This is what I was talking about. I'm gonna hit the V-band in instead. I already got the pipe cut out the size. I'm finna get ready and weld it. Weld both pieces. Well, I'm finna tack both pieces together down here. So yeah, wish me luck. One down, one to go. Hold on. And that's two. Everything back together. Wastegate on there, as you can see. I'm getting ready to put everything back together, tighten all of it up, take it on a test drive, and I'm through for the day, man. It kind of made me mad, wore me out, and I'm hot. So yeah, they're gonna be it. After I do this test drive, man, make sure I don't hit boost creep. See what it do.
Yeah, I woke up feeling like a boss. Yeah, got me some more, white it out. Took a load and took some on there on the block. Yeah. I woke up feeling like a boss. Yeah, I might just get a nigga my dog. Yeah, might put some paper on your boss. It cost to be a boss. I woke up feeling like a boss. Yeah.